Hello, this is Gülcan. In this video, I will share a quick review of Axis Audio Manager Edge version 12.10 updates. Here is the highlight of our latest release. Let's take a closer look. We have introduced a new Get Started section to provide step-by-step guidance on setting up the basic features. It is possible to move Get Started box around your page. It will either take you straight to the right page in the application or guide you to the user manual directly. As you can see in the previous version, both device management and physical zones were on one single page, and now we have introduced a new dedicated devices page. This is your central hub for overseeing all your connected hardware. For tasks like adding new devices, checking their status, or configuring general settings, Devices page is where you will go. Physical zones is where you take control of device organization across specific areas. Here, you can either assign your devices directly to their physical zones, or you can simply drag and drop them. In System Settings, we have a new action for API Builder, Play Audio Files. API Builder tool assists you in constructing your API requests when integrating third-party devices and services, helping you select the correct IDs and ensuring perfect formatting. You can now page audio files directly from your library with a new API for third-party. Keep in mind that we will select the method from here and copy the URL and body for our third-party devices configuration. Now let's make an example with our paging console. Here, we will proceed to create a new action with HTTP request. We will copy the body and URL link generated within our API builder. After all, assign this newly configured action to a button. Now let's try out with our paging console and speaker.
Dear customer, we invite you to check out our special offers this week. We have discounts on many items. Have a nice day.
Thanks for watching.